Hello everyone, this is my review of the Shower Steamers Aromatherapy Essential Oils. These are little packets of pellets that you can put in your shower to give you a fragrance when you're showering. When the steam comes up, it mixes and you have a nice pleasant fragrance so you can relax while you're taking a shower. You have three different fragrances. You have eucalyptus mint, rose watermelon, and grapefruit lavender. Each pellet is individually wrapped in their own little packets, so you don't have all of them exposed at one time. The disc is a little flaky. You just put them in the back of your shower. You don't want it directly in the stream of your shower, or you don't want them to be submerged. You just want it to be lightly wet. Then just turn on your shower and you're ready to enjoy the ambiance. This is what it looks like after you take a shower, so the pellets will last a while, so you could take multiple showers with one pellet and just have your bathroom smelling really good for days. So